Thank you for tuning into this tutorial for the EZ2 form. The EZ2 form must be accessed through WISAARD and is designed to be completed on a desktop computer. You will need a WISAARD account to complete the EZ2. To begin, go to your project dashboard and click Complete an EZ2. Once you click the button, a new window will open. To cancel the form at any time, click anywhere outside of the white box or click the Cancel button on the lower right-hand corner. If you cancel, nothing will save and you will have to start over, but don't worry, the form is really short. Just click the Complete an EZ2 button again. Also note that there are back buttons and next buttons in the form, and this is how to navigate through the pages of the form. Don't use the back button in your browser, it will kick you out of the form. The first field you're going to fill out is for project name. Enter a project name that helps staff identify what the funding is for. For example, project name could be energy upgrades or ramp installation or weatherization. Please do not use the name of a person or funding applicant anywhere on the form. If you don't know the type of work that's going to be done, simply enter the address of the property. The second field that you're going to come to is primary regulation, and this helps staff understand if this is a federal, state, or local review process. If it's a HUD project or other federally funded project, choose Section 106. If this is a state-funded grant or project, use 2102. If this is a SEPA-related review at the request of a local government, go ahead and choose SEPA. And then click Next. This is where you will search existing WISAARD data to see if the property is already in our system. The goal is to avoid adding the same address to the system more than once. You can search by address, property ID, or historic name, whichever is easiest for you, and whatever you have at hand is fine. Enter the search term in the search bar. I'm going to use address. Type in the address, give it a second to come up with an option, and then select it. Once you enter in the address and select it, the existing property details should show up down here. If you have a scenario where the address shows up more than once down here, that's probably because it's already a duplicate in the system. Just select one of them and you can move right along. Doesn't matter which one. This is the map page. The address will auto-populate in the search bar and the map is below. Simply look at the map to make sure the blue pointer is on the correct building. Use the plus and minus to zoom in and out. If it is on the correct building, go ahead and just click Next. If it is not on the correct building, all you have to do is simply click where you want the blue pointer to go. It's very simple. So just click on the building you want it to go on, and then click Next. If there is no search result, you will end up here on the location page, but there will be no address pre-populated. This is where you can enter the address for the property that you want to include. When you're doing this, it's going to give you two little boxes, which is kind of confusing. What you want to do is ignore this little green box and try to use the one that's dropped down like this. So go ahead and click that one. And then the map will zoom to that location and the blue pointer will be on that location. Just make sure it's correct, then click Next. Once you have selected the location, you can add a property name. Please don't enter the name of a person, enter the type of the building. So house or middle school or church, or you can just leave this blank if you don't know the name. You can also enter the date of construction if you know it. Scroll down a little bit and you will see this is where we're going to upload some photos. Every EZ2 requires at least one photo of the front of the building. For larger buildings, you may need more than one. Only files such as JPEG and PNG are accepted. We cannot accept PDFs or TIFFs at this time. You can either drag and drop an image right here, or you can click the box to select an image from your computer. Once you see the thumbnail here with the image name, you'll know that it's uploaded. Go ahead and click Next. This is the property preview form. Just check to ensure that everything is correct and there is at least one photo. The photo name will be here, but there won't be any thumbnail. Address will be here. This is the final step in the form. Just please confirm that the survey is ready to be submitted. Click Yes, and then click Submit. The form will process, and when it is finished, you will be back at the project dashboard. The new project will appear at the top of your list. You will also receive an email that your form was submitted and includes the project number. This is all you have to do for the submission of an EZ2. You will not receive an email when DAP completes the review. You will need to log back in to check. I will show you how to find that information once you have logged back in. So go ahead and click on the project to open it. Click on Inventory and Evaluation. Property that you submitted will be listed right here. The initial status will be submitted, and the SHPO determination will default to survey inventory, or it will be blank. When the review is finished, the status will say Review Complete right here, and it will also be green. The SHPO determination will be updated to say either Determined Not Eligible, Determined Eligible, or National Register, and that's for properties that are already listed on the National Register. To print the form with the determination for your records, click on the pencil. Over here on the right-hand side, you want to click the Print button. The system will create a PDF that you can download. The determination will be listed under the Project History section of the PDF. And that's it. If you have any questions or issues with the form, please be sure to email support@dap.wa.gov. Thank you.